Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we are looking at a paper from the Hugging Face Trending List, published on November 28, 2025, about 3 days ago. It introduces a method that can generate multi-person talking videos with strong lip synchronization, high visual quality, and surprisingly natural back-and-forth interactivity, all while relying on very little real, multi-person training data. The paper is titled AnyTalker, Scaling Multi-Person Talking Video Generation with Interactivity Refinement, and as we will see later, the combination of scalable architecture and cheap data requirements makes this a very exciting direction. Also, the authors shared a full GitHub repo for AnyTalker. You'll find PyTorch-based inference code, scripts for multi-person audio-to-video generation, detailed installation steps, and model download instructions, plus example inputs and outputs. There is also a benchmark toolkit for evaluating interactivity, including dataset download scripts and metric computation. Figure 1 visually demonstrates what AnyTalker aims to achieve in practice: flexible, audio-driven talking videos with rich, natural behavior. The overall collage shows multiple people and even animals that all move their lips and heads in sync with different audio streams. The gestures in lively panels highlight expressive hand and face motions, while the interactive row emphasizes eye contact and listening cues between people, which are key signs of believable multi-person conversation. Figure 2 explains how AnyTalker actually works to turn multiple audio streams into a coordinated talking video. The large left panel shows the core architecture, where video, text, and face crops feed into shared attention blocks that also receive paired audio features. The top right panel illustrates the two-stage training recipe, which first mixes concatenated fake pairs with single-person clips, then fine-tunes on real multi-person videos to teach interaction. The bottom right panel zooms into the audio face cross-attention module, which repeatedly binds each audio stream to its corresponding face using masks so identities stay consistent. So, Figure 3 explains how the model tightly links audio to specific face regions so lip motion stays aligned and localized. This figure shows a custom attention mask that groups several audio tokens to each video token, which effectively tells the network which sound segment should drive which visual patch. The lower panel illustrates the face mask, which creates 1 and 0 tokens, so only pixels inside the global face box receive motion from audio face cross-attention. Table 1 shows that AnyTalker matches or beats strong baselines on classic single-person benchmarks, while uniquely supporting multi-person generation. The metrics combine lip synchronization quality, called Sync-C, with image realism scores like Fréchet video distance that compare generated clips to real ones. AnyTalker 14B achieves the best synchronization on both HDTF and VFHQ, with low video distance and competitive identity preservation. AnyTalker 1.3b is slightly weaker, but still rivals earlier large models, so the approach scales well across sizes. Table 2 shows how different multi-person methods behave on the Interactive Eyes benchmark, which measures how lively eye motion looks during listening, as well as lip sync and overall video realism. Interactivity here means natural eye movements and subtle reactions that make a listener feel engaged. AnyTalker 1.3b almost matches real videos on this score. AnyTalker 14b even slightly surpasses ground truth interactivity and also achieves the lowest Fréchet video distance, so it looks both lively and realistic while keeping strong lip synchronization. Figure 6 shows that the generated videos from AnyTalker look much more interactive than those from Bind Your Avatar or Multitalk. The left half illustrates a real human input case, where AnyTalker produces richer eye contact and head turns that match a natural conversation. The right half shows the same comparison for an AI-generated couple, and AnyTalker again maintains convincing back-and-forth reactions across both faces. Alright, to wrap up, the key idea is that AnyTalker makes multi-person talking video both scalable and affordable by pairing the audio face cross-attention module with a clever two-stage training pipeline. This opens the door to highly interactive virtual hosts, agents, and characters driven from simple audio tracks. That is it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.